If I wasn't flying, I'd be on the ocean, canoeing, enjoying what nature has. It's another wave, different kind of wave, made out of water instead of air. Oh boy. You really want to know how long I've been doing it. My name's Gardner Brown. My middle name is Alihikaua Okalani Brown, born and raised in Hawaii. The word i'o, some people believe that's hawk. I'olani, or Okalani in my name, suggests that that's part of my makeup. The landscape. Emerald green is one of the key words about the Hawaiian Islands. And everybody sees the beauty of the ocean. They see coral reefs, stingrays, they see dolphins and turtles. When I see Waikiki on a flight, I usually describe Diamond Head as being the most photographed silhouette on the island. Now, Mother Nature has been working on carving the ridges of the Ko'olau for hundreds, if not millions of years. And what you see is her work still in progress. When I fly over Oahu, I see the past. I see the potential of where it's going, and I also see the dreams that other people read about. And when I'm flying, I try to inspire their dreams to be right in front of them.